So we're just gonna hit create. Oh, okay. Anyways, you're gonna and then for an example, stock videos. And for instance, just click on the 6-second black one, and then click on text and hit add text, and write what you're gonna want to say like this. Let's just go for that, for instance, and then you click on text to speech English, and this is one of them.
Subscribe.
See what I mean?
Subscribe.
So like that.
Subscribe.
Yeah. So yeah, then you can export that. And so yeah. So if that was helpful to you guys, drop a like, and I'll see you guys in the next one.